Oh, Annabelle, hi! Nice to meet you! Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. This is day 3, episode 3 of our Scotland adventures, and this time we're in Malay. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I have a theory regarding the name Malay. It's essentially the place that you go to rest after you hike Ben Nevis the day before, and we just did Ben Nevis yesterday. If you missed that video, remember to click here. So after you climb Ben Nevis, after you come down, you're gonna be shouting like, my leg, my leg. So I think that's how they named it, now Malay. Boo. So lame. So anyway, it's gonna be pretty exciting, although Malay is not really well known for its excitement because usually there's nothing much to do here. But today we're gonna go and see some wildlife. So we took a 1-hour wildlife cruises with Western Isle Cruises, and hopefully that's gonna be pretty epic because we're gonna see some sea lions and hopefully a whale as well, and some dolphins hopefully. Can't wait, excited, let's go! And the boat is moving, guys. This is gonna be an hour wildlife cruise in a way. So what are we gonna see today?
Hopefully seals, maybe porpoises, whatever.
Excited?
Wildlife, my boy, I can't guarantee it.
Okay, cool. Looks like we're almost there. Where all the wildlife is. Oh yeah. Oh, so cool. On the shore?
On the shore.
Oh, okay, wow. Hello. Hey buddies. Oh guys, so many seals over there. So nice. Oh my goodness. So privileged. See, everyone is taking a photo of it. So that was the first spot. Now I guess it's time for the second spot.
So cute!
Unfortunately, nothing much in the second spot. No whales, no dolphins. It's alright. We still get to see some seals. That was quite fun, right? You love it? Yeah, Amalia is not really too excited about this trip, but yeah,
It's his idea.
it's my idea because we already hiked so much. It's time to chill and see some seals and dolphins. Yeah, wasn't meant to be, but it's okay. It's time to head back.
It's not as if they leap out the water, they just kind of break the surface.
Oh, Annabelle, hi! Nice to meet you! What's wrong with your right eye? Hello! Oh, don't swim away! Another one!
Another
Hey!
Okay, my boy.
Thank you!
Thank you, sir.
Thank you! See you! Thank you! Overall, that was pretty fun. Pretty not bad. We don't get to see much. We only see some seals, some birds and stuff. But Annabelle at the end, that was probably the highlight of the trip. She's like swimming so close to us. But you actually don't need to go so far to see Annabelle because they are actually swimming around the docks around here.
The jetty.
Yeah, the jetty. Yeah. So what's the point then? No, it's still nice to see them in the wild because I think Annabelle is a bit domesticated, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, probably. But yeah, Love it. It's time to go to Fort William. No, actually, where are we going?
No,
The
the Harry Potter train.
Harry Potter train. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, the steam train is moving!
Awesome!
Why is it moving in reverse though?
Is it really?
Oh yeah. What is it? Hey guys, sorry I didn't do any kind of commentary just now, but we are now in Glenfinnan and we saw the steam train rolling off Malik. So we were trying to chase the train and try to overtake it in time for us to do this hike in Glenfinnan, because this is the hike to the viewpoint, and from the viewpoint you can see the train up close as it goes through the aqueduct, and that's gonna be one of the iconic Harry Potter shots. And with us today is Nate and Katja.
Hey guys.
Hello, they live in Amsterdam. They were on the same boat with us just now, and then we asked them what was their plan after this, and they said they wanted to go to Fort William, which is exactly where we're going.
We also had breakfast.
Yeah, we had breakfast this morning and we ended up going in the same direction. So yeah, we met a new friend. Thank you for coming along with us.
Thank you for having us.
No worries. Okay, time to see a train. So we are at the viewpoint. Sadly, there's no drone flying allowed here, guys. There's actually a huge big sign at the start of the trail, but as soon as we saw that signboard, there was a drone flying on top of us. So I'm like confused. Can I fly or not? Actually I can't. So that's the aqueduct or something, the train tracks, and in a few moments time we should be able to see the train zooming past us with the steam. Oh my god, the train is coming, guys. Look at that. Where's the steam? And it's not just the train, guys. There's also a huge monument there which is so picturesque. The background is that amazing lake or sea. Not even sure whether it's a lake or sea, but so beautiful, guys. Ta-da! We got to see the Harry Potter train, the Hogwarts Express. How was it, guys? You like it? You like it?
It was amazing.
It was amazing?
Yes. You missed it?
You'll get used to it. That's awesome.
It was awesome, right?
It was awesome. Like,
It was so
especially
good.
when the steam.
Yeah,
You can give a choo-choo cut.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! And this is... And right now we're at the monument. Hey, good job! Overall, really fun day. Got to see a lot of things. Yeah, and now I guess it's time to go to Fort William. After that, we're gonna head towards our accommodation in Loch Train.
1 hour later.
With all good things need to come to an end. I hope this is not the end yet.
No, this is the beginning, guys.
The beginning to our friendship. Yay! More travels with us together, hopefully. Okay, we have to say goodbye to them right now.
Paka-paka.
Bye, Katja. Bye, Nate.
What is paka-paka?
Paka-paka?
Bye-bye.
Bye in Russian.
In Russian, oh, paka-paka. See you. Don't forget us. See you! More travels ahead! Oh my goodness guys, after about 2 hours and 40 minutes of driving and seeing some beautiful landscapes along the way, we are finally in Kenmore, which is at the edge of Lochte. This is the place we're going to stay for the night, and this place is amazing. We're supposed to check into the hotel right now, but with the place looking so good, I think I'm still gonna fly my drone or maybe take a few B-rolls. But yeah, I guess this will be the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose adventure. Don't forget me.
Because when you fuck the dinner, then you do whiskey. Okay.